If you're a veteran, active duty service member, or eligible surviving spouse, a VA home loan is one of the most powerful mortgage benefits available to you, and Truss Financial Group specializes in helping you maximize every advantage it offers. A VA home loan lets you purchase a home with zero down payment and no private mortgage insurance. That's not a promotion, that's a permanent benefit of the VA loan program. While conventional borrowers are putting down tens of thousands of dollars and paying monthly PMI, Virginia home loan borrowers are keeping that money in their pocket. And the savings don't stop at closing. Virginia home loans consistently carry some of the lowest interest rates on the market, lower than conventional and FHA loans. Combined with no PMI, that adds up to hundreds of dollars in monthly savings over the life of your loan. Already have a VA loan? You may qualify for a VA IRRL, that stands for Interest Rate Reduction Refinance Loan, also known as a VA Streamline Refinance. The VA IRRL is one of the fastest, simplest refinance programs available. In most cases, there's no appraisal, no income verification, and no out-of-pocket costs. If rates have dropped since you closed your original VA home loan, an IRRL can lower your monthly payment with minimal paperwork and a funding fee of just 0.5%. Need to access your equity? A VA cash-out refinance lets you tap into your home's value to pay off debt, fund home improvements, or cover major expenses, all while keeping the benefits of your VA home loan intact. Speaking of the VA funding fee, it's a one-time cost that keeps the entire VA loan program running without requiring PMI. First-time VA home loan borrowers typically pay just over 2%, and that fee drops with a down payment. And if you have a service-connected disability, are a Purple Heart recipient, or are an eligible surviving spouse, the funding fee is waived entirely. At Truss Financial Group, we work with veterans and military families every day. Our loan officers understand VA home loan guidelines inside and out, from certificate of eligibility requirements to VA appraisal standards to maximizing your entitlement. Whether you're buying your first home, refinancing with a VA IRRL, or pulling equity with a VA cash-out refinance, we'll make sure you get the lowest rate and the best terms you've earned. Ready to put your VA home loan benefit to work? Click below to connect with a Trust loan officer. Zero down, no PMI. The mortgage you earned through your service.